Passive incomes. In this video, I will share with you some of the passive incomes that I'm a part of that earn me thousands of dollars every week. I'll be sharing with you DeFi apps, staking, copy trading, trading done for you. Now, I don't provide personal investment advice. I'm not qualified licensed investment advisor. I'm an amateur investor. So let's get started with the first passive income. And so the first one I want to share with you is BNB Capital. Now, BNB Capital, it's like a loan site. You lend them your money, they freeze it for a certain amount of time, and they'll give you an interest. And as you can see, the interest starts from 42% all the way down to 7%. Right now is a great time to get in because the price of the BNB Capital coin is only 0.04 cents, so a great time to get in. Now, when you first come to BNB, you're going to need to freeze your BNB, your Binance coin, in the premium package. Now, once you've done that first investment, then you can move on to any of these other investments. With this one here, your principal is frozen for 28 days. You get an instant loan payment of 42%, so you get that straight away that you can withdraw and put back in your wallet, so you get half your money back straight away. Then you have to wait 28 days to receive your principal. Also, when you invest in this package, for every 1 BNB that you invest, they'll give you 100 BCL tokens, which is the BNB Capital tokens. So I withdraw out of this one every day. I'm going to come over to the staking side. And as you can see here, if I go down, I've got 562,463 BCL tokens ready for me to withdraw. So I'm going to click on collect. Now, this is a DeFi platform, so it connects with your MetaMask wallet. And again, if you don't know how to set up MetaMask, don't worry. Once you're on my list, I'll give you all the videos and all the help you need to get started. So I've collected my BCL token. So let's just have a look here in the wallet. You can see there's my BNB balance for this wallet at the moment, and there's my BCL tokens. So what I'm going to do now is cash those out and put them into BNB. So come up to the top and click on Get BNB. This is going to take me over to PancakeSwap. I'll go on to trade, down to exchange, and I need to select the currency, which is this one here, and I'm going to do the max, and that's going to give me this much BNB. So I'm just going to do that swap. That opens my MetaMask again because it's all talking with smart contracts. DeFi means decentralized finance, okay? So confirm that. That's on its way, but let's just have a look at how much I've withdrawn. So I'm going to come over to Johnny Blockchain, go up to stats, and then all I'm going to do in here is type in BNB, which is the Binance coin. I can see now that the average price of BNB is $416. So let's get my calculator. That was the BNB that I just earned. Times that by 416.41. So I've got $23 worth of BNB from that passive income in the past 24 hours. So let's look at the next passive income. Now, at any point in this video, if you want to get on my list, you're going to find a link like this below in the description. Click that link. It's going to take you over to a page like this where you can pop your name and your email address in, and I'll keep you up to date with all the passive incomes that I'm involved in. Now, the next one I want to share with you is BNB 25. This is an absolutely amazing program that gives you a 250% return on your investment, and that pays out 25% every single day for 10 days. Mind blowing. So just after 4 days, you've got your money back. You've got your principal back. Everything after the 4 days is gravy. Now, to simply invest in this one, all you need to do is to click on this button that says invest. And that will take you down to the investment section. At the top of the screen, when you come here, there's a presentation that you can look at. But if you're on my list, you're going to get emails from me to show you how to get set up with this and how you can be earning a daily income. Now, you can invest in this from as little as 0.05 BNB. So let's just have a quick look at how much that is. So if we come back over to Johnny Blockchain, as you remember, the current average price of BNB now is $416. So if I take the 0.05 times that by $416.41, so you can get started with this program with about $20. So it's $21, $22 at the time of making this video. Now, this particular program, you can withdraw every 24 hours. And as you can see there, I can withdraw right now, which I'm going to do in a moment, $321.79 that I've earned in the last 24 hours. Now, before I click the withdraw button, let's have a look what's in my wallet. So as you can see there, I've got just over 1 BNB, and I'm going to make this withdrawal. So I'm going to click on the withdraw button. Because it's a DeFi, which is decentralized finance, it talks to your wallet. There's no admins involved here. I don't have to put in a withdrawal request. I'm talking directly to a smart contract. Okay, so I'm going to click confirm. That's confirmed my payment. And if I look up here, we're just going to wait now to see when that clears on the blockchain. Now, when you withdraw out of here, it's automatically, it reinvests 25% of your withdrawal, which is compounding for you. And as you can see now, there's a timer that starts to tick. That's going to run for 24 hours, and then I'll be able to withdraw again. But already, while making this video, I've made $41.36. How fantastic is that? Now, again, if you're interested in this passive income or any of the other ones that I'm sharing with you, you're going to find the links to them below the video. But also, you'll find a link to a page just like this one where you can pop your name and your email address in, and I'll show you how to get set up with all of the passive incomes that I'm involved in. And I'll also keep you up to date with any new ones that I get involved in. So let's move on to the next passive income stream. Now, this next platform, I absolutely love it. It's trading done for you, plus you can get involved in their copy trading. Now, I withdraw out of this again every week. And if you look down here, here's what I've earned so far. Okay, with this platform. Now, I started off in here really slow. I put a little bit of investment in, which was about $20, and I've built up, I've compounded from there. So I'm not drawing a great deal out of here because I'm in the process of compounding, but I'm using their copy trading robot. But before we look at the copy trading robot, let's just have a look at the returns that you can get from the pros trading for you. So if I look down here, you can invest in this platform in any one of these currencies. You can do straight with a fiat currency that will connect to a Perfect Money account. I don't know much about that because I don't use that, but you can invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, USDT, which is Tether, Tron, Binance Coin, BNB. That's the one I like the most. I'm collecting a bit of BNB at the moment. Ripple, which is XRP, and you've got Bitcoin Cash on the end there. Now, when you look at these, if you look down here, it will show you the minimum that you can go in with. You can start here with as little as $25. That will give you a return for 21 days at 1% per day. If you want to up the ante a little bit and put in $400, that's going to give you 1.1% a day. But of course, you can go into these longer packages over here, 31 business days. Now, they do the trading for you, okay? And they'll pay your profits into your account, and you can withdraw those at any time you like. You can draw every day if you wish. I tend to withdraw once a week. So that's their trading packages. They've got lots there to choose from, giving some amazing returns. But I want to show you their copy trading robot, and you can access that up here, you see. So when you first come into this program, the first thing you're going to do is add balance. So you're going to either deposit some Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of those other coins that we just talked about. And then once you've got some money in there, you're going to click on this button here that says open a deposit. And again, if you're on my list, if you fill out your name and your email address in that page that I showed you earlier, and the links below the video, I take you through all this step by step, and all of the passive incomes. I'll show you how to get set up, and I also keep you up to date with any new passive incomes. The trading robot, which is their copy trading, which works with your Binance account, I'm going to show you that right now, is available right here. This is the robot. So this is you log into the robot separately. These are all the trading pairs that I'm doing at the moment. There's a ton of them there, and there's a chart there to show you what's going on. Down here is the actual robot in action, and this changes, as you see there, it changes on a regular basis because the robot's constantly talking to my Binance account through API keys. Now, the great thing with this, I have full control of my funds in Binance. They cannot withdraw, this robot cannot withdraw my funds. It can only place trades for me. So let's go over to Binance and have a look. So this is the screen order history. So these are all the trades that it's done for me. Now, I'm trading with about $50 each trade. but it only makes me small profits, but it does lots of them. So if I look here, for example, this one, ADA to USD Tether, it's a buy order and it's spent this much money. So what we're looking for now on this list here is when does it sell that ADA? So if you look up here, you've got the ADA sell there and it's sold it for a profit at this price. So let me just get my calculator. As you can see there, it sold it for just over $50.46. So if I'm going to click minus and we're going to look at the buy order for the ADA, which is this one down here. And as you could see there, it did a buy order for just over $49. And if I minus that off of what it made me 50 cents. Now that might not seem a lot to you, but it's doing that constantly 24 hours a day. It's a robot. Now what I can tell you is in this account, okay, I deposited $1,300 in total, okay. So let's have a look at my balance, and you'll see now when you look at this balance, you'll say, Jeremy, it's gone down by $100, okay. So I've got in here $1,210 and I started with $1,300, but I did some withdrawals. So let's have a look at the history of the withdrawals. So as you can see here, here's my withdrawals. Remember, I started with $1,300. I withdrew on the 22nd of the 3rd. You can see there, I drew this much Bitcoin out. Then I've got BNB, Tron that I withdrew, BNB and BNB. So let's just add up the BNBs that I withdrew out of this platform. So I've got that one, so we'll plus that, and then we've got the 0.89860352 plus, then we've got another BNB there, 0.0992 plus, we've got 3.4992 there, plus we've got, we'll miss the TRX, we'll go to this BNB, this one just here, so it's a 0.1492 plus, and then we got at the top there, this one at the top, we've got 2.8792 equals that. So that's 7 point whatever it is, that's just over 7 BNB. So let's go back over to Johnny Blockchain, and we know that the price of BNB right now at the time of making this video is, so I'm going to times that by $416.41 equals a whopping $3,222, and I've still got in my Binance account $1,200. So I'm going to get that amount there, and I'm going to plus the $1,210 equals, and now I'm going to minus the $1,300 that I put in, which I'm floating with, as I call it, $1,300, which is what I put in out of my pocket. So I've made a whopping $3,132 from this trading robot. Now, if you want to get it started with this passive income, like I keep saying, below this video, you're going to find a link to all of the passive incomes that I'm involved in. But you'll also find a link that's going to take you over to a page just like this one, where you can put your name and your email address in, and I'll show you how to get set up with all of these passive incomes. And I'll keep you up to date with all the new passive incomes as I get involved with them. And I'm involved in a lot more than what I'm showing you right now. So let me show you the next passive income. Now, this one is copy trading. Now, this works with my Kraken exchange. And so I connect here with my Kraken via API keys, just like I did with the other trading robot with my Binance account. Now, this one I've recently been testing with a lower amount. So I only put $300 in here. And as you can see, at the moment, I've gone up by $35. So I'm going to be putting some more money in this because I'm really, really happy with the way this system's working. So let me just show you here all of the trades. This is my trade history. So you've got the trade ID, the date, the exchange ID, the symbols, which is the markets, so they're telling you the trading pairs, how much the quantity is, the buy price, the sell price, whether the order is open or closed, and how much profit I've made. So as you look down here, the green is a profit, so that's a 0.94% I made on that one, 4.98, 1.2. As you can see, all the greens are profits. We've got some blank ones there, so the order's not there's either something gone wrong with the order or it's still open, but that one says it's closed. As you can see here, I've made a loss, I've made a profit, I've made a profit, I've made a profit. That one, obviously, something's gone wrong with the trade. I don't know. I shall be sending in a support ticket for those to find out what it is. That one made a loss. That one made a profit. This one's still open, as you see there, so that's not closed yet. This one's made a profit. This one's made a loss. This one's made a profit, a profit, a profit, a profit, a profit. Coming on to page 2, profit, profit, profit. Now, what I did was I added up all of the profits and took away the minuses, and I averaged that over 28 entries, which is 28 trades. Obviously, there's 28 trades that are across those 2 pages, and this is what it equates to. So all of the profit trades minus the losing trades give me an ROI of 71.76. Now, if I average that over 28 trades, that's an average per trade 2.57%. Absolutely mind-blowing. I'm going to be putting some more money in this. Now, again, if you're interested in this passive income, this is a passive income that is copy trading. So what they do is they connect to your Kraken account via API keys, and whenever a pro makes a trade, it copies it on your side, okay? Depending on what you're trading with. I'm trading with smaller amounts here, but I'm going to be up in the ante. Now, again, if you're interested in any of the passive incomes that I've shown you so far, you'll find a link below in the description, but you'll also find a link that takes you over to the page where you can put your name and your email address on. Get on my list. I'll keep you up to date with all of the passive incomes that I'm in. I'll show you how to get set up with them all, and I will also keep you up to date with all the new ones that I get involved in. But it's not ending there. Let me show you the next passive income. Now, this one, I absolutely love this one as well. I withdraw out of this every week, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. And this also has copy trading attached to it. Also has the pros of trading for you. But first, let me show you what I've earned and what I've withdrawn out of this every single week. So here we are on the withdrawals that I've done. And if you look down here, look, this is the date it says paid out. Okay. Now you can withdraw out of here once a week. And I've withdrawn from this a total of $6,446.03. Now I started this business with $300. And what I've done is I've done some compounding to build up my trading balance, because this is the pros trading for me. And as you can see there, I've got 3 screens. I'm not going to show you all the 3 screens, but well, I can do quickly. Go right to the beginning. There's the very first withdrawal that I made of 249, and then all these over here are all the withdrawals that I've made, and I do this every week. I withdraw out of this platform, and as I say, I've withdrawn so far $6,446. Absolutely mind-blowing. Now, they've got copy trading as well, but before I show you that, let me show you the pros, what their sort of returns they're getting for me. So if I come over here, this is what's called the trading pool, and it's showing you what the daily returns I'm getting, and it's showing you the ROI here. So just over 1% there, 1.1%, just over 1%, and just under 1%. Absolutely mind-blowing. So far, I've earned $147 from them trading for me. But look at what I want to show you here with their copy trading. Now, the copy trading for this platform is not available for everybody. I've been chosen as one of the testers, which I'm really privileged and really happy that they've done that. But the copy trading's coming very, very soon. And if I go over to their copy trading side, this is the deal history, okay? Now, I started in here with £1,000. I've withdrew out of here a couple of times, and that goes directly to my bank account. I've got a UK bank account. I deposited from my bank account into this site, and they connect to this site with a robot that copies the trades that their pros are doing. But look at the profits I'm making. So here's a profit of £2.32. This is pounds, might I add. £4.89, £1.85, £3.42, 27 pence, 1.86, 50 pence, £2.58, 89 pence, £33 and 43, 34.90, 115.92, 220, 263, 256, 398, 320, 372, 55, £7.61. See, these are all profits. You know, it'd be in red if it was in a minus. £7.61, £2.32, £4.89, and it just keeps going on down here with the winning trades. Look, 30 odd, 150, 220. Winning trades, just mind blowing. Okay, mind blowing of the history there of the trades. Now, if you look up here, it's showing a minus 142, so that means there's a trade that they've got open now. They've got some trades open. They've got 2 trades open. This one's running in at a profit of 57 pence. It's not closed yet, and this one's running in at a loss of minus £2. I'm not worried about that because they haven't closed these trades out, so you know, hopefully these are going to go into a profit as well. And if I come over to the copy trading section here, you can see, I know it's got a dollar sign, but it's actually pounds. I've made £315.55 in profit from this copy trading. Now, on this side of the platform, I've made a total of $8,209. I've got $152 waiting for me to withdraw. Plus, I'll earn that balance will go up because they pay out on a Saturday from the profits. Plus, I've earned a profit of $315.55 from the copy trading. Absolutely mind-blowing. Now, I hope you liked that video. I know it's been a bit long. I've only shown you a few of the businesses that I'm involved in. Now, if you're serious about having a passive income in 2021, then below this video, you're going to find a button or a link. Click that. It's going to take you over to this page where you can let me have your name and your email address, and I'll send you all the details of all the passive incomes and more. If I was to show you them all, this video would go on for hours. But the ones I have shown you in this video, you'll find the links for those below in the description as well. You have an amazing day. Click those links, get making a passive income, and I'll see you in the next video. You have a great day. Bye now.